If necessary, remove all residues of old application by sanding the surface scratch-free. We recommend a final 80 or 100 grit. Dampen the surface with water. Use a garden hose, but never a high-pressure cleaner. Take exterior wood cleaner and pour it in a bucket. Always use gloves and be careful the product does not get in the eyes. Now apply some undiluted exterior wood cleaner with a block brush and let it work for a few minutes. Then scrub it with a nylon scrubbing brush or use the red Rubio Monocoat scrubby pad, especially when you have softer porous wood. This will cause the product to foam. Once the wood is clean, rinse thoroughly with water until all the foam has disappeared. Allow the surface to dry completely. Tape off first and work between the grooves. Tape off anything that should not be treated, splashed, smeared or spilled on, including anything prone to overlap. Take the DuroGrit and stir well. When using several containers at one site, it is recommended to mix them for an even result. Pour the required amount of oil into a bucket. Now apply DuroGrit in a saturated manner to the surface with the wood cream brush. Work in small sections of a few boards wide. Work in the direction of the wood installation. For vertically installed boards, this means from top to bottom. Always work in the full length, so never stop in the middle of a board. Always apply sufficient product and brush again afterwards to avoid start, stop and brush marks, and remember not to exert too much pressure on the brush. Always try to maintain a wet edge to avoid overlaps. Only work in frost-free and dry weather conditions. Let it dry for about 3 hours. Complete curing takes place after approximately 3 days, depending on the weather conditions. We recommend a yearly visual checkup just after winter season. You can clean dirt and green deposits with low-pressure water and a soft brush or exterior soap. If necessary, when you have colors that fade out, apply a maintenance coat according to the instructions.